Hello everyone, in this video please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. In this video 2023 Women World Cup Morocco explosion of joy comes after years of work and investment. After beating Colombia 1-0 thanks to Anisha Lamry taking home the rebound from Ghislaine Chebek missed penalty. The Morocco squad gathered around a phone in the center circle at Perth rectangular stadium. The players were watching the final seconds of Germany versus South Korea, knowing that if the two-time world champions failed to find a winner, Morocco themselves would progress at the Germans' expense. Thank you everyone. Watch this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.